Patawad mo ba, of course, mayor ka naman, lawmaker naman sila, magkakaroon ho ba ng pagkakataon na,
Huwag silang lalabag sa batas.
is that a warning?
Of course. It's a fair warning to everyone. The people of Manila deserves better. They wanted certainty. They wanted rules are put in order. And it's applicable to everyone. No abuse will be done by this congressman under my watch. No. Not a single day.
All right.
Pag mali kayo, mali kayo. Kung kinakailangan arrestuin ko sila, I'll make arrest. That is a promise.
That's how
Because that
serious
is a
you are.
commitment to the people of Manila. Kasi yun ang kinumit ko sa entablado eh. Di ba na maliwanag naman sila, mga tolongges, magbago na kayo ng address. Hold upper, snatcher. Ikinumit ko yun sa taong bayan. And the people replied, showing this much overwhelming votes. So, kung gusto nila, magtrabaho sila, maglingkod sila sa taong bayan, I'll support them. Don't get me wrong. Pero wala nang pribilehiyo ngayon.
Okay.
Pantay-pantay lang tayo.